In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove decimal places in Google Sheets. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you're dealing with data that doesn't require the precision of decimals, or if you simply want to make your spreadsheet easier to read. I'm going to guide you through the process step by step, so even if you're not familiar with Google Sheets, you'll be able to follow along without any issues. First things first, let's open Google Sheets. If you haven't done this before, it's as simple as heading to Google Drive, clicking on the New button on the top left, selecting Google Sheets, and voila, you have a brand new spreadsheet ready for action. For today's demonstration, we'll be working on a sheet with some placeholder data, but feel free to use your own data if you prefer. Now that we have our Google Sheet open, let's say we have some values in cells A1 through A3, and each of these values has decimal places that you want to remove. The first thing you'll need to do is highlight those cells. To do this, click on cell A1, then while holding down your mouse button, drag across to cell A3 to highlight the range. You'll see those cells become shaded, indicating they are selected and ready for formatting changes. With your cells highlighted, we're ready to move on to the most important step, removing those decimal places. Look up to the top of your Google Sheets interface. There, you should see a row of icons in the toolbar area. Among these icons, there's one that looks like two right-pointing arrows or a decrease in number size. This is your Decrease Decimal Places button. Go ahead and click it. Each click of this button will remove one decimal place. So if your numbers had 2 decimal places and you click the Decrease Decimal button once, your numbers will now be rounded to a single decimal place. Click again, and they should display as whole numbers, free from any decimal excess. And that's all it takes. With a few clicks, you've successfully removed unnecessary decimal places from your data, making your spreadsheet far easier to understand at a glance. This simple trick can be a great time saver and help you present your data more clearly and concisely. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering some of the basic yet powerful features of Google Sheets. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try these steps out with different data sets to get a firmer grasp of the process. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our channel for more tips and tricks on Google Sheets and other productivity tools.